Hi, I'm Chaitanya Agarwal and today I'll be reviewing the Dell 5408. It's one of the newest laptop that's come from the Dell kitty, and I've bought it from personal use, which is where I just thought a lot of people who are getting confused or getting lost out there which laptop to buy. Probably I could do a review for them. So yeah, let's begin by opening it without wasting much time. So while I'll open the box, I'll also tell you my reasons behind buying a Dell laptop. I did look at a few other brands, say Lenovo, HP, Asus, and did a comparison, and I realized that the price at which Dell was offering me these configuration was way better than any other brand, which kind of prompted me, okay, this really works for me. Also Flipkart, thanks to them, I got a sweet deal where I got a few discounts on the my credit card as well as on the website, and that really kind of, I got this for some 60,000 rupees, which is quite awesome, right? Okay, so super excited to do this. Taking out the charger first, parking it here. This is the second part of the charger. Again, keeping it here. We will come to this later on. The silica gel. And now is the time to take out the beauty. One of the things that I've heard about this laptop and which really kind of convinced me that this is what I really wanted to buy was I was looking for something for personal use, but something which was light, had the performance, and had the beauty as well. Got great reviews about this piece, and I thought, okay, it's time that I ordered for one. So here it is, the Dell piece, the Dell 5480. Now let's take the plastic off and see what's there inside. Oh, this is quite a lovely model, quite small, sleek, and this is actually quite lightweight. I didn't think it was going to be this small. Taking you through it, we have the Type-C charger port here, which helps you with memory transfer as well as charging, the USB, the HDMI, and the charging port. Here we have the headphone jack, another USB port, and the SD card reader. While this is the micro SD card, which we may have to buy a jack for, but that's all right, we'll figure it out. Moving on, now let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, this looks quite awesome. As you can see, the keypad is very nicely laid out. It seems this is the fingerprint scanner here, and even the trackpad has a nice aluminum outline to it. It's an i5 10th generation with a 2 GB graphics card from NVIDIA and 8 GB RAM. Also, one of the factors which I considered was that if in case a couple of years later my usage increases and if I want to kind of add another RAM to it, this laptop, this motherboard offers me 2 slots. So I can either put another 8 GB and make it 16, or add 216 to make it 32. So that's quite good, right? I mean, it will not get outdated for the next 4 to 5 years. Also, it has a 512 GB SSD, which if need be, I can always increase it to 1 TB or 2 TB. And there's enough and more products available out there for me to kind of buy and upgrade the same. So yeah, that's about this laptop. I will be posting the review once I start using it and once I've installed all the necessary softwares, and let you all guys know how this functions. Until then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.